In contemporary society, where technology often dominates our daily lives, there exists a palpable yearning to re-establish a connection with the natural world and our cultural roots, particularly within the confines of our personal living spaces.
Traditional backyard gardens stand as serene havens, providing an ideal platform to seamlessly fuse the enchanting allure of nature with age-old customs and practices. Through meticulous planning and imaginative design, one can effortlessly metamorphose their backyard into a tranquil sanctuary, serving as a tribute to bygone eras while embracing the essence of the present moment. Delving into the realm of traditional backyard garden concepts unveils a myriad of possibilities, each imbued with a sense of nostalgia and reverence for tradition. From the timeless elegance of English cottage gardens to the structured serenity of Japanese Zen gardens, there exists a diverse spectrum of styles to suit varying tastes and preferences. By incorporating elements such as heirloom plants, rustic pathways, and quaint water features, one can evoke a sense of timeless charm and rustic simplicity, transporting visitors to a bygone era where the rhythms of nature dictated daily life. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, traditional backyard gardens serve as tangible manifestations of cultural heritage, preserving ancient gardening techniques and indigenous plant species for future generations to appreciate and cherish. By cultivating a deeper understanding of traditional gardening practices, individuals can not only foster a greater appreciation for the natural world but also contribute to the preservation of biodiversity and ecological balance. Thus, in an era defined by rapid urbanization and technological advancement, traditional backyard gardens stand as enduring symbols of our innate connection to the land and our shared human history. Embracing native plants in your backyard garden is more than just a trend, it's a step towards ecological harmony and cultural appreciation. Native plants are uniquely adapted to your local climate, making them resilient and low-maintenance choices for your garden. Beyond their practical benefits, native flora often carry deep cultural significance, connecting you to the heritage and history of your region. By incorporating native flowers, shrubs, and trees into your garden, you not only enhance its authenticity but also contribute to the preservation of local ecosystems. Choosing native plants for your garden isn't just about aesthetics, it's a conscious decision to support biodiversity and sustainability. Unlike exotic species, native plants have evolved alongside local wildlife, providing essential habitats and food sources for birds, insects, and other native species. By cultivating a garden filled with native flora, you create a thriving ecosystem that promotes pollination, natural pest control, and overall environmental balance. Additionally, native plants typically require less water and fertilizer, reducing the need for chemical inputs and conserving precious resources. Integrating native plants into your garden design can elevate its beauty and charm while fostering a deeper connection to the natural world around you. From vibrant wildflowers to majestic native trees, each plant tells a story of resilience and adaptation. By learning about the native species in your area and incorporating them into your garden, you become a steward of the land, honoring its rich ecological heritage while creating a haven for biodiversity. Embracing native plants is not just a gardening choice, it's a powerful way to nurture both your landscape and your connection to the land. In traditional gardens, there's a deliberate organization of space to cater to various needs and activities. For instance, a section might be designated for growing vegetables, another for cultivating herbs, and yet another for unwinding and enjoying leisure time. These delineations are often achieved through the strategic placement of hedges, fences, or pathways. These elements not only serve as physical boundaries but also contribute to the aesthetic appeal of the garden, enhancing its overall charm and functionality. By creating distinct areas, each with its own purpose, traditional gardens offer both practicality and visual interest to the observer. The use of hedges, fences, or pathways to divide spaces in traditional gardens serves a dual purpose of organization and aesthetic enhancement. Beyond simply separating different areas, these elements add texture, depth, and visual appeal to the overall design. Hedges, for instance, not only demarcate boundaries but also provide privacy and shelter for plants and visitors alike. Fences may serve a similar function while also adding a decorative element depending on their design and material. Pathways, on the other hand, guide visitors through the garden, inviting exploration and creating a sense of discovery. The division of traditional gardens into distinct areas allows for efficient management and maintenance of different plantings and activities. Gardeners can easily tend to specific crops or herbs without disturbing other areas meant for relaxation or aesthetic enjoyment. This organization fosters a harmonious coexistence of various elements within the garden, promoting biodiversity and ecological balance. Additionally, it facilitates customization, as gardeners can tailor each section to suit their preferences and requirements, whether it be selecting specific plants or incorporating unique features. Ultimately, the thoughtful use of hedges, fences, and pathways in traditional garden design not only defines spaces but also enhances functionality, beauty, and the overall gardening experience. For centuries, arbors, pergolas, and trellises have stood as quintessential features within the realm of traditional gardens, imparting an air of time-honored elegance and functionality. These structures serve multifaceted purposes, from offering sturdy support for climbing plants to establishing serene, shaded retreats where one can unwind amidst nature's embrace. By seamlessly integrating these elements into your backyard design, you not only foster an environment conducive to the flourishing of greenery but also craft inviting spaces for relaxation and contemplation. Moreover, these architectural accents infuse a sense of charm and character into your garden landscape, enhancing its visual appeal and lending a touch of timeless beauty to the outdoor setting. Arbors, pergolas, and trellises offer an ingenious solution for maximizing space and harnessing the potential of vertical gardening. Through strategic placement and thoughtful design, these structures can transform mundane expanses into enchanting alcoves, where verdant tendrils cascade in graceful arcs and fragrant blooms dance in the gentle breeze. Whether serving as a sheltered alcove for intimate gatherings or as an enchanting pathway adorned with lush foliage, these elements breathe life into your outdoor oasis, elevating it into a sanctuary where the senses are indulged and the spirit rejuvenated. Moreover, their enduring appeal transcends fleeting trends, ensuring that your garden retains its allure season after season, year after year. Incorporating arbors, pergolas, and trellises into your backyard design not only augments its aesthetic allure but also fosters a harmonious coexistence between man and nature. By providing vital support for climbing plants, these structures encourage the proliferation of greenery, fostering biodiversity and contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Furthermore, they afford respite from the harsh rays of the sun, creating cool, shaded enclaves where one can savor moments of tranquility amid the verdant splendor. As integral components of garden architecture, arbors, pergolas, and trellises embody the enduring connection between humanity and the natural world, beckoning us to immerse ourselves in its beauty and find solace amidst its ever-changing tapestry. Incorporating natural materials such as stone, wood, and clay into your garden design not only elevates its aesthetic appeal but also fosters a sense of timelessness and authenticity. Stone pathways meandering through lush greenery provide a rustic charm, inviting leisurely strolls and contemplative moments amidst nature's beauty. Paired with carefully chosen wooden garden furniture, these elements create a harmonious blend of textures, with the earthy tones of wood and stone effortlessly complementing the vibrant hues of the flora. This synergy between natural elements not only enhances the visual appeal of the garden but also creates a tranquil oasis where one can unwind and connect with the environment. The use of natural materials like wood and clay in garden design promotes sustainability and environmental consciousness. Opting for locally sourced wood reduces carbon footprint associated with transportation while supporting local artisans and economies. Clay pots and planters not only add a touch of earthiness but also provide a nurturing environment for plant growth, promoting biodiversity and ecosystem health. By embracing these materials, gardeners can contribute to the preservation of natural resources and foster a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things within their outdoor sanctuaries. The timeless allure of traditional garden design infused with natural materials transcends fleeting trends, ensuring lasting beauty and functionality. Unlike synthetic alternatives, stone, wood, and clay age gracefully, acquiring character and patina over time, imbuing the garden with a sense of history and continuity. Whether it's the weathered appearance of wooden furniture or the moss-covered stones lining a pathway, each element tells a story, inviting reflection on the passage of time and the resilience of nature. In essence, by embracing these timeless materials, gardeners can create outdoor spaces that not only delight the senses but also resonate with a sense of heritage and authenticity for generations to come. In the realm of traditional gardening, the essence of enclosed spaces serves as a sanctuary, fostering a palpable aura of privacy and intimacy. By strategically planting hedges, erecting trellises, or incorporating tall planters, one can carve out secluded niches within their backyard oasis. These carefully curated spaces offer a tranquil retreat, cocooning individuals from the outside world and inviting them to immerse themselves in moments of relaxation and contemplation. Whether it's a quiet nook for solitary reflection or a cozy corner for intimate conversations, these enclosed areas imbue the garden with a sense of coziness and serenity. The artistry of traditional garden design extends beyond mere aesthetics, embracing functionality and practicality in equal measure. Utilizing elements such as lush hedges not only delineates boundaries but also acts as natural barriers, shielding the garden from prying eyes and intrusive noises. Trellises, with their intricate lattice patterns, not only add vertical interest but also serve as versatile structures for climbing plants, further enhancing the sense of enclosure. Similarly, tall planters strategically positioned around seating areas not only add greenery but also offer a sense of enclosure, creating a harmonious balance between nature and human habitation. Beyond their visual appeal, these enclosed spaces within traditional gardens hold a deeper significance, fostering a deeper connection with nature and oneself. Amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life, these secluded retreats offer moments of respite, allowing individuals to recharge their spirits and reconnect with the natural world. Whether it's the gentle rustle of leaves or the fragrance of blooming flowers, these enclosed spaces awaken the senses and provide a sanctuary for the soul, reaffirming the timeless allure of traditional garden design. In addition to the botanical elements, it's essential to imbue your traditional backyard garden with personal flair that resonates with your individuality. Consider incorporating cherished heirloom plants passed down through generations, adding a touch of familial history and nostalgia to your outdoor sanctuary. Introducing handmade garden sculptures crafted by local artisans can infuse character and artistry into the landscape, creating focal points that invite contemplation and admiration. Moreover, carve out a serene reading nook nestled within the verdant foliage, complete with a comfortable seating arrangement and perhaps a small table for your favorite reads, allowing you to unwind and immerse yourself in the tranquil ambience of your personalized garden retreat. Furthermore, don't hesitate to experiment with unique features and design elements that speak to your passions and interests. Whether it's integrating a miniature vegetable garden to indulge your culinary inclinations or dedicating a section for cultivating medicinal herbs, let your garden serve as a canvas for expressing your diverse hobbies and pursuits. Embrace the opportunity to showcase your creativity by incorporating whimsical decorations or themed plant arrangements that reflect your penchant for a particular era or culture. By infusing your traditional backyard garden with these personalized touches, you not only create a space of natural beauty but also a reflection of your identity and cherished memories, inviting both relaxation and inspiration into your outdoor haven. The key to cultivating a truly enchanting traditional backyard garden lies in the harmonious blend of nature's bounty and personal expression. Strive to strike a balance between timeless botanical elements and unique embellishments that resonate with your soul, creating a space that not only delights the senses but also nourishes the spirit. As you embark on this journey of garden creation, remember that every plant, sculpture, and reading nook contributes to the narrative of your garden, weaving together a tapestry of experiences and emotions that make it distinctly yours. So, embrace your creativity, indulge your passions, and let your garden tell the story of who you are, one bloom at a time. In the pursuit of crafting a backyard garden that seamlessly blends nature and tradition, one embarks on a journey of profound fulfillment. The amalgamation of age-old gardening practices with the innate beauty of the outdoors yields an oasis that transcends time and resonates with profound significance. With careful consideration and thoughtful execution, integrating traditional backyard garden concepts into the design process serves as a conduit for creating a sanctuary that pays homage to the wisdom of the past while celebrating the splendor of the natural environment. Embracing traditional backyard garden ideas not only fosters a sense of connection with the land but also imbues the space with a sense of continuity and heritage. Drawing inspiration from time-honored techniques such as companion planting, heirloom varieties, and organic gardening methods fosters a harmonious relationship between the garden and its surroundings. This symbiotic approach not only nurtures the soil and supports local biodiversity but also cultivates a deeper appreciation for the intricate balance inherent in nature's design. Moreover, by infusing traditional elements into the backyard garden design, one cultivates a space that tells a rich narrative of cultural heritage and environmental stewardship. Whether it be through the incorporation of indigenous plant species, the revival of age-old gardening rituals, or the integration of artisanal craftsmanship, each facet of the garden becomes a testament to the enduring legacy of tradition. Ultimately, by embracing the interplay between nature and tradition, one cultivates a backyard haven that transcends mere aesthetics, serving as a timeless sanctuary that nourishes the soul and inspires a deeper reverence for the natural world.